Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Enigma and you're watching Enigma Inc. So let's do Libras for 2022 year. Let's see what are the messages for you. By the way, happy new year in advance. And also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. And yeah, you must be wondering what are these things that I've kept. First of all, I sell crystals. Okay, these will be in bracelets form like this, and these are available in India only, but these energy circles are available worldwide. So these energy circles, these are my personal energy circles. One is for abundant sales, another one is for looking attractive. Okay, so there are many different energy circles that I'm going to give you. Okay, in my magical workshop from scratch, you will be taken through the simplest to highly advanced law of attraction tips. So if you want to be a part of it, you can join. Currently it is on New Year offer, so you can avail that. For that you have to reach me out on WhatsApp or Instagram. Also, for the personal readings which are more accurate and elaborate, you can reach out to me on the same platform, which is WhatsApp or Instagram. Follow me on Instagram for more updates like these yearly horoscopes, monthly horoscopes and daily horoscopes, which are pretty accurate. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Let's see. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Libras, see what are the messages. Year 2022, what good is coming for my Librans? Okay, all right. Seven of Swords. Okay, Libra, your judgment power is going to be on point because that's the major arcana. Let me pick major arcana first of all. I feel like in the year 2022, you are going to be extremely patient. You are going to run away from all kinds of deception, all kinds of manipulation, all kinds of cheating. You are not going to be a part of it. And I feel like your intuition will guide you through. Okay, anything that is waste of time, you're not going to put your efforts into it. Rather not even spend a single moment for there. Okay, you will be very healed, you'll be patient, and you will not dive into risky things or do some random stuff. You'll be very clear about what you want and you will stay very patient. I feel like this is a phase where you'll be fully healed from all the past shadows and your own shadows that you may be fearful from, or some traumas. You will get out of it strongly. This year for you Libras is going to be extremely wonderful when it comes to bringing out your inner creativity, power, enthusiasm, passion, grooming yourself even more well, being more expressive. Everything is going to be on point for you. And let me take this back. And these two major arcanas are shouting out loud to me, Libras, that your psychic powers are going to be very, very, very clear. Okay, crystal clear. You might also need a clear quartz, okay, crystal. If you can buy that from somewhere that's authentic place, you do get it. And should be energized. So I also see like some Libras who are into healing work. Your healing is going to be amazing. Okay, you're going to heal people immensely and your healing power is going to take over and over any other competitor. Like, you're going to be the best reader, I would say. All right, some of you are going to deal with another Libra or a Pisces, but here I also see like with a judgment, your clarity will be amazing. Like, you will clearly know what is right, what is not, what is going behind your back. Your psychic powers, intuitive powers will be on point. So you will be able to make clear decisions, and that is why you will stay very stable and at peace. All right. What about the money game for 2022 in Libra's life? Okay, somewhere I feel you might get confused about two careers. Which one should I choose? Yeah, something might stress you. Okay, I said that it's gonna be a very clear for you, like a clear period for you for any kind of decision. So here with the Five of Swords is that you've been very, disturbed with the job, with the work that you were doing from some time or from a long time, and you want to put an end to it. And this is a time where you're going to put an end to something that was stressing you out too much, and you were held in confusion from a long time, and now you're coming out of it. You're releasing that burden. Okay, in 2021 everything's gonna be left behind. You've taken a lot of stress, okay, of other people, of I don't know what that is, but some stress that you were taking is gonna be left behind. You are emerging as a powerful person, okay, someone who's very full of fire and passion, and this person is just following their own life, like own course of life. You will be fully aware of what you want and you'll go for it. You're all fireworks, okay. And when it comes to a love situation, Queen of Wands and King of Wands, is you're going to be very attracted to someone, okay. There's going to be strong attraction between you guys. There's fire between you guys, and this is like you guys are similar. Someone is gonna treat you like you're the only one, like they're gonna treat you like king or queen, like you will be on a pedestal all the time in this person's life. Yeah, you're leaving a situation that has been very tough for you to handle in terms of love also. There has been an ending, and I feel like now, as I told you, you're going to be very decisive. You're clear about what you want and you're moving on. So yes, you're moving on now, preparing yourself for new love. Libra, please. Some of you were dealing with Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Your money is going to be on point. Make sure that you keep on saving more money and investing more money, because whatever you put your money into, it's going to become better. It's going to grow. So your money is going to multiply, and you will not share your money game with anyone. You're very clear about what you want when it comes to money. So your career is going to be amazing, and I feel like you're going to do multiple things at once, and this is going to build more fortune for you. You will be too busy with work. I don't know why I see that you've left a job or you've left an organization and you're jumping into a new place, new organization, new job. There's a rebirth happening, transformative phase. Transformations are coming into your life. There's new life altogether. Yes, there is a lot of success happening with the sun. Okay, so I feel like until now you were like, okay, when will I get married? When will I find my true partner? When will they respect me? It is time that you will be, shown this cup of love, this emotion. Someone will show their emotions towards you, and you won't be focusing on that person for a pretty long time. I feel like in the April month you will start focusing on this person. I feel like this relationship that you once get into is gonna be blissful. Okay, you're going to be in a committed connection, and this is going to be a success. Whichever relationship you will be in, it will be successful. This person is full of life. I feel like they will know that what you've gone through. They're going to pamper you a lot. They're going to make you feel special. They won't allow you to think about past disappointments. This person will never let you down. Okay, they will never let you down. They'll make sure that they make you happy, and they have a lot of things to say to you, and a lot of surprises. They'll be full of surprises, I feel, Libras. Yeah, this person will be fully into you. I feel like there's a lot of attraction, there's mutual attraction. The main thing is that you guys will be mutually into each other, mutual attraction. You're completely forgetting the past, the love from the past. You are completely focusing on the new person, and there's strong attraction between you guys. Like you guys won't be able to live without each other. That's how it is going to be. Many people will try to get your attention, but you'll just simply focus on this one person. I feel like this person is pretty competitive, and they know that you're the best catch, because there's many people being interested in you, and this person has got you. So they'll feel very lucky. I see you having competition, but you're going to win. You're going to be successful. Libra, please. Okay. Here it is. You're going to have success at your work. So success at what is that called, success in love as well as success at work. So there will be a lot of work also for you, Libras, but I feel like you're going to emerge successful, as no matter how many cases you handle, okay, whatever type of work you do, you're going to feel successful. They will be in your favor, okay, clients or whatever you're dealing with. All right, so a lot of money coming in. See, you're going to become abundant. The super abundance coming in. One after the other, you're going to achieve success. And I feel like the basic thing is that you're going to be into yourself. You're not going to spend time at random places, partying and stuff like that. You're going to spend time working hard, growing your knowledge, introspecting things, and that is why you emerge successful here. I also see you expanding your knowledge, going into the research part, something like that. This person will fall in love with you eventually. Definitely, this person will start off with a lot of attraction, and then this becomes mutual love, and then this person will be all into you. Okay, so a lot of love here, and this person will come in your life as a blessing. Like you never expected this such a beautiful, lovely connection to come into your life and spread so much positivity. This person will be full of giving nature, and they'll always be there to provide a help, any kind of help that you need. Genuine personality, grounded, stable, down to earth, and calm, composed. This could be Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn as well. Yeah, I do see you, Libras. You are going to get into a new relationship, but you will be traveling a lot. That is in your cards. That is in horizon, strongly in your horizon. You're moving on from something that was not working. So moving on is also what I see prominently here. So you're going to dive into some partnership, okay? And positive partnerships. Libra, please. All right. So yeah, your person might, okay, what I see clearly is that there might be a blockage because of the third person getting into between you both. It's because you guys are from a different religion, and their family or your family doesn't allow this. This is illegal for them, okay? That may happen. Like, people may be against this connection, so you might have to keep an open mind and accept different people's different mindsets and do whatever you feel like is fine. Flirting. So there's going to be a lot of flirting, okay? Your person might flirt with a third person as well. I don't know, maybe. I don't know. It is safe. No, it's totally safe, so don't worry about it. This person will continuously tease you, flirt with you, keep the relationship alive, you know, like that. Honesty. There will be a lot of loyalty in this connection. This is very clear. You guys will connect deeply with each other, intuitively with each other, and there's a lot of honesty, belief in each other, and discipline in this connection to take this to another level. So definitely this is beautiful connection that's going to happen between you guys, Libras. Yes, so you guys will say yes to each other. Forgiveness. Yeah, some sort of third party coming in between might try to ruin this connection, but then you guys will forgive each other and understand that nobody can beat this. Libra, please. All right. This is impossible. Okay, believe in the impossible. Yeah, impossible things are going to work. Be bold, make the first move. Yes. So I feel like you guys are going to, you know, go through some phase where you guys have to take a bold action towards each other. And this is like an impossible connection. As I told you, there's religion difference, but still you guys are going to be bold, making the move towards each other. Then Libra, this is you, okay? A win-win situation. So whatever you do, you're going to be the winner at it. As I told you before also, you'll be the winner. Yeah. Stop asking too many questions. You will get your answers at the right time. Right now, you just have to believe in yourself. Now, let's see from Aries to Pisces, your person, how will they deal with you? Aries, please. Aries will be very on and off, very toxic, trying to control you. Taurus. Taurus will be slow in action, but they will be interested. Gemini. Gemini will have a crush on you, okay? Cancer. Cancer will be attracted to your personality, the way you carry yourself, the way you make money. Leo will be all into you, madly in love. Virgo will chase you because you'll always on their mind. Libra will be strong and compassionate towards you. This could be you towards them. Scorpio will be spying on you always. This is kind of a possessive person, Scorpio. Sagittarius is gonna be into you. I feel like they're straight off going to tell you to marry them. Aquarius is your soulmate. This person will be head over heels and will be listening to you at every point. They're going to be with you. Capricorn person loves the way you speak, and I feel like they would love that mental compatibility, verbal compatibility you guys will have. Pisces, they'll think about you all the time and they'll let you know that. And I feel like this person will straight off ask you for marriage as well. So that's about it, Libras. I hope this reading has helped you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell, and comment down below. Let me know how this resonated. Till then, I will see you next time in more videos. Like it, subscribe it. It's must. Follow me on Instagram. Till then, bye.